Hello folks, welcome to Patterson Homestead. Just showing that some of the bantams actually like the snow, others not so much. You got Weeza, Fred, Razor, Brownie now, and Blue, and George is still up on the coop. These are the only birds that I've had out in the snow, besides the turkey running out the door when I bring them water and food. And yes, they are outside of the fence, but they don't go very far. Unless I have to chase one of them around the coop, but I haven't had to do that lately with all this snow. Y'all have a good night. Shalom.